Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set the alarm clock on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. The first thing that we need to do is, of course, open the clock app. So open the app drawer and then go to clock. Now over here you can switch to alarm at the bottom of the screen on the left side. And here you have some example alarms, or you can press this plus button in order to create your own alarm. So you need to select time. Let's say I want to wake up at 8 AM, so I'm gonna choose 8. Then make sure that AM is selected, and then you can press OK. And there we go. Now we can select if you want to enable it for tomorrow by tapping the slider. You can also select days of the week. So if you select certain days, then the alarm will go off on these selected days. And of course, if you select all of them, then it will work for every day. In addition to that, we also can change the ring, and we can enable the vibrations over here. And if you want to remove the clock, then you can also delete it over here by pressing this delete button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.